Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Affirm app. So in this video I will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions are both for Android and iOS and will be listed in the demonstration box. So I'm going to walk you through on how to download and install Affirm app on your iPhone. As you can see, this is the Affirm app logo right here. You can see this is it. This is the Affirm app logo. If you want to install it on your phone, you can use this to buy and pay later. It's one of the most highly rated platform where you can buy stuff and pay later in 2024. So you have been looking for a way to buy stuff and you want to buy anything, could be gadgets, could be anything, and you wish to pay back later, this platform is definitely what you should try and invest a little time into. So for you to be able to install Affirm app on your iPhone, first thing you have to do is open up your Apple Store on your iPhone, then use the search bar and search for Affirm in the search bar. After that, then select the Affirm app published by the Affirm complaint. After that, tap on Get to download the app. Authenticate with your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if prompted. Once you install it on your phone, then you can now proceed by signing in, or if you have an existing account, you can just log in your account, then you start using. Or if you are a new user, just create an account and start using the app. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.